Hey, today I am doing the most requested Eva, please do your eyebrows with the Davis pencil look. So today I'm going to be showing you how I create natural eyebrows using the Davis pencil. Shout out to everybody who's watching me for the first time. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I share my cooking, my makeup, my workouts, my traveling vlogs. If that's the kind of shit you vibe with, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you. Bye. Hi guys, so yes, I know I look ridiculous with my half head and everything, and I haven't even finished this crochet that I was doing. I literally just decided to do this video for you because you guys suggested that I do eyebrow tutorial with the Davis pencil. I feel like everybody, every girl, well maybe not every girl like that, but I feel like a lot of people have the Davis pencil. Like beginner makeup artists really start with this pencil. It's cheap, it's affordable, it's about 150 naira now, but back in the day when I started using it, it was 50 naira. So basically I'm here to show you guys how to do your eyebrows with only the Davis pencil, nothing else. Also, if you like to watch me doing my crochet, I'm actually going back into that video. Well, not literally, but I'm going to be filming that video. So if you want to check it out, it will probably be ready by the time you're watching this one. I'll leave a link down below for you to watch how I am doing this hair on my head right now. Let's get into the eyebrows. Okay, so you brush your brows upwards in the direction of hair growth, and you want to start with a really sharp pencil. I always say it's very important that your pencil is really sharp. So you have a pointed tip and you can draw sharp lines, precise lines. So what you want to do is, I hope I am in focus. What you want to do, or what I like to do, is have strokes like this, as if I am drawing new brow hairs, which is what it is technically. And so I just stroke in the brow instead of painting the brow like we see a lot of people doing. That's not my thing. I'm not saying it's bad, I'm just saying everybody has a way that they do their eyebrows. Okay, so this is what I'm doing with the pencil. I just go in strokes like that. And as you can see, I'm following the direction of my hair growth. And I've done this many times. If you've seen my other eyebrow videos, I'll leave them linked for you down below. It's pretty much the same thing that I do when I'm using the Zaron eyebrow definer, when I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills deep brow, which I don't like. It's the same thing. So I just have just strokes like that. And I'm going to keep on going back and forth. And the Davis pencil is really dark. I'm using number 3, 003. It's really dark, as you can see. So when I'm brushing the brows out, I brush inwards, I brush outwards, basically just dispersing that pencil into the brow hairs so that it looks natural like that. And I'm going back with the pencil again. It's still a little sharp. And I'm just going to do the same thing. I want my brows to look really full, so I'm really stroking outwards, almost out of the hair growth area. And that's it. That's what I do. And the next step, and if you've been following me for a while, you know that I don't apply concealer on top of my brows. I don't do that, don't like it. So what I like to do is only create like a straight line under the brow. Just to really define that edge. And I'm going to brush that into the brow. And that's it. Let's go over to the second one, so you get a chance to watch it twice. Always make sure that your pencil is sharp. Oh, by the way, it's very difficult to talk when I'm doing my eyebrows. So I wanted to let you guys know that my classes have actually begun. I usually take classes in Lagos, but this year we decided to switch things up a bit. My makeup school is only going to be doing like specific programs, instead of doing like full courses where we do full, okay, we still have the full bridal courses, but we don't have like full courses for this year. So instead of that, this year we decided to do something fun. So this year we have fixed programs. So there are people that just want to learn how to do their eyebrows, people that just want to learn how to perfect their foundation. So we separated every. So I was telling you guys about my new model of makeup classes now. By the way, my studio is in Ikeja in Lagos, and the new model is specific courses. So courses for eyeshadow application, eye blending, eyeshadow blending techniques. It's a one course on its own, and if you want to learn just how to do your eyebrows, that's one course on its own. And the reason we did this was because people don't necessarily want to learn the full courses, well, except the people who want to do makeup as professional, as business, which is why we kept only the bridal course as a full course. So if you want to become a bridal makeup artist, of course you get the full course, because that includes like the business models and the business and things like that, the business of the bridal artistry. And so like for your general makeup, if you just want to learn how to do your foundation, you want to learn how to just do your eyebrows or just your eyeshadows or how to blend, those are listed in the school section on brushonly.com. So if you go to brushonly.com, I'll leave a link for you down below so you can see that. I was just trying to clean this guy so we can grab some concealer now. I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer in Fawn. So yeah, the reason that I do not conceal the top of my eyebrows is because I really do not think that that is necessary. So the plan is always to make sure that the brows are great from scratch and not make any mistakes on top. Plus it takes away like the natural look of the brow. It's like, why is it so perfect up there? It's supposed to look bushy or something. Hey, I uploaded a cooking video for you guys. I have 4 more cooking videos for you. So if you've watched my kidney and gizzard, somebody was asking me what is kidney. It's beef kidney. So I made beef kidney and gizzard sauce the other day, and I decided to shoot a video for you guys. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link for you down below. Also, if you like to see me do my eyebrows with other products like a brow pomade or a brow powder, then I'll leave a link for my full eyebrow tutorial down below. It's not really anything special. Now, just taking the powder on this palette in this palette that I'm using, I'm just going to set that entire brow area with the powder, just so my concealer does not move. That's it though. That's how I do my eyebrows with David's pencil. Very simple. No painting, no serene, no